Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to download and install VS Code on Windows 10 machine. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. Open your favorite browser. So I'm using Chrome. Type here VS Code. From the results, click on the first one, Visual Studio Code. And from here, click on download on the right above, top above. So from here, I am on Windows, so I'll click on Windows. So it will take a little time according to your internet speed. So for the time saving purpose, I already download the setup. So I'll just close this and go to my downloads directory. So, so we have here the setup for VS Code 1.8.6.2. Click on the setup. So I accept the agreement, click on next. So I'll use the default path for next. Next. So I want to create a shortcut on desktop. Yes, I want to add all of them. So click on next and click on install. So it will take a little time to install. So the installation is completed. So I'll click on I want to launch. So I'll click check this and click on finish. So our VS Code is installed on Windows 10 machine. So it will show some of the basic steps at the start. I will go with the default one. Mark as done, and I'll create a basic. For a folder, I want to create a folder. um, So I selected the default folder. I trust this file and click on yes. So after that, I'll create a file with index.html. So let's open. So we have a lot of applications and versatility in VS Code. We can also install different plugins according to our own need, uh, like for different programming languages. So we create a basic input file. So if you want to install the applications or extensions, go to here and we can type just like PHP and it will show up all of the extensions we have in here. So so you can install according to your need, according to your language, and you can also install the GitHub and GitHub and integrate with VS Code, and you can take pull and all of that stuff from here. So good luck, guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel, like the video.